This is my 2015 Indian Chieftain. Springfield blue and ivory cream color. It's got a bunch of little additions on it, like the back passenger floorboards, the running trim. It's got the 111 cubic inch Thunderstroke motor and the matching blue Pinnacle covers. Nicest paint. It's got speedometer and tach, gas, tire sensors, start, cruise control. It's got the electronic windshield right here, up and down, and radio controls. Front fairing with the matching blue, and the war bonnet front light, which is pretty cool, lights up. It's got the Stage 1 air cleaner, custom painted to match. Again, the Pinnacle covers and the saddlebags. And it's got the big back seat on the rear passenger seat, sissy bar rest. Lots of room. A lot of little details. A lot of Indian on the seat. Indian in the leather stitching. A lot of little Indian details all over the bike. Start it up. Dirty Bird bars raised up about 4 inches. Overall, really nice bike. I'm really happy with it. Very smooth riding.